Hey guys! In today's video, we're going to talk about why your MacBook Air might be freezing, and most importantly, how to fix it fast. If your MacBook Air has become unresponsive, don't worry. There are several potential solutions you can try before heading to an Apple repair center. Let's dive into the common reasons your MacBook Air might freeze and how you can troubleshoot it at home. What causes a MacBook Air to freeze? Your MacBook Air can freeze due to several reasons: malfunctioning apps, issues with macOS, or hardware problems like overheating or faulty RAM. Fortunately, many of these problems can be fixed at home with some simple steps. How to fix a frozen MacBook Air. Let's go through some quick and easy troubleshooting tips to get your MacBook Air working again. 1. Force quit the app. Sometimes a single app can cause your Mac to freeze. You can force quit the app by pressing Command plus Option plus Escape, then select the problematic app and click Force Quit. Force quit via the Apple menu. If you can't access the Force Quit menu, click the Apple icon in the top left corner, scroll down, and select Force Quit. Use Activity Monitor. For more stubborn apps, open Activity Monitor and close any unresponsive programs from there. Restart your MacBook Air. If force quitting doesn't help, try restarting your MacBook. You'll lose unsaved work, but this can resolve many freezing issues. Unplug peripherals. Sometimes connected devices can cause problems. Try disconnecting anything plugged into your MacBook to see if it helps. Boot into safe mode. Restart your MacBook Air in safe mode to diagnose any underlying issues and potentially fix them. Free up disk space. Low storage can slow down your MacBook Air and cause freezing. Delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Reset PRAM NVRAM. A quick reset of your MacBook Air's PRAM or NVRAM can resolve some hardware issues. Repair permissions. If you're running OS X Yosemite or earlier, repairing file permissions can help your apps run smoothly. This step isn't needed for later macOS versions. Reset your MacBook Air. As a last resort, you can reset your MacBook Air by wiping the hard drive and starting fresh. Make sure to back up your data before doing this. Contact Apple support. If all else fails, contact Apple support. They can guide you through further steps, and if your MacBook Air is under warranty, you might get a free repair. Wrap up. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming tech tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your MacBook Air.